Task number 6, practical exercise of the SOC, is part of the SOC Fundamentals room inside Cybersecurity 101 learning path on Try Hack Me. And here we see, let's see. All right. We have some open tickets, which are 4 in number. 3 of them are resolved. Please click acknowledge button to take ownership. All right. Okay. The scenario: you are a level 1 analyst of your organization SOC team. You received an alert that a port scanning activity has been observed on one of the hosts in the network. You have access to the SIEM solution where you can see all the associated log for this alert. You are tasked to view the logs individually and answer the question to the 5 W's. No, the vulnerability assessment team is running. Okay. Answer the question below. What activity that triggered the alert? Right. If we go... Okay. So activity that triggered the alert. Port scan. When? June 12th. June 12th, 2024 at 5:24 p.m. Destination host IP. If we go acknowledge and view in SIEM, destination 10.0.0.3. Source host name Nessus. Reason. Why? Reason for the activity: intended malicious. All right. So traffic source range is private. All right. Nessus. Here we can see a little difference. Host was Nessus and JoePC, but then the host was JoePC going to Nessus on SSH. Destination port. Okay. It's intended. Additional investigation note. Has any response been set back to the port scanner IP? Well, we have this one, which is yay. What is the flag after completing? It's a false positive or a true positive. It's a false positive. It's not an incident. And the vulnerability assessment team notified the SOC team that they were running a port scan activity inside the network from the host. Go to alert dashboards. And obviously we have the conclusion, which is basically a quick summary of what we did, and with a beautiful question and very hard one that we have to answer all the time.